Hi, today we are going to show you how to install the door locks on the door. So firstly, inside the package you should be able to find a drilling guide, something similar like this. It is for you to drill the holes on the door. So attach it to the door like this. There is a line in here, attach line in here. So take out the hole marks. And then drill the holes according to the marks. Different locks might comes with different drilling marks. And on the side you also need to mark here in here and drill a long hole like this. So after that, the next step is to install the matrix into the hole. So slice it into the side hole and then lock it to the door with the screws. The next step will be installing the cylinder to the matrix. There should be a long screw coming with the cylinder package box, so please make sure you buy it. To install the cylinder, firstly slice the cylinder into the cylinder hole on the matrix, and then there is a screw hole in here, so put it into the middle of the matrix, make sure, and then the screw goes in here to lock to that screw hole in here. So let's do this. Slice into and adjust the location. Okay, slice in, and you might need to adjust the location to make sure it just attached to that screw hole. Now I just find the location, and then it's easy, just straighten the screw to lock it down. Okay, tightly fit. The first step is very important to install the handle. So in most cases, there should be a mark in here. It's usually a triangle mark or something like that, and there should be left or right marked here. So just make sure if there is a mark, make sure it turns to L or R. L stands for left and R stands for right. So just point to, if your handle is right hand, like this one is right hand, so point to R. And if it is left hand in this side, you just point it to the left. So make sure it points accordingly. And then use the connector clamp, put it in here. And some models also have a connector in here for the cylinder, but this one do not have. If there is connector for cylinder, you should be needing to put it into the cylinder hole. And now let's put the front panel in it. If you have put the mask in a correct position, it will be easy to adjust. Just pull up the handle, it should be able to move the 3 bolts. Now let's go to the back. In the back there should be an extra connector for the small secure bolts in here. And it will also connect to the handle, the upper handle connector clamp. Okay. So let's see if it can work. So if you have connect everything correctly, you should be able to move the big bolts with the inside handle, and also look as more secure bolt on the lower side. Okay, if everything works correctly, you can just drive in the screws on the back and then finish the installation. So you double check it. On the back side, you are able to lock and unlock freely. And on the outside, you will be able to lock with pulling up, but not able to unlock without installing a finger. Okay, and the software setting up for different models might be different, so you might need to refer to the manual with the lock, or just check the app settings on screen notifications to help you to guide you up to set up